It's okay to take a
So
class.
case when clauses, case when if
Hello. Please.
so I apply to it, I'll clear this sheet. That is ratio. This is calculation. You see that? So I have written case whenever there is central to display CENT, otherwise NULL.
Okay.
Okay. So that was the calculation. And
can I see the calculation?
you're seeing it now?
Yes.
Okay. So this is the calculation. And one thing you have to observe is case when is used to exact comparison of the strings only. Right? But it should be exact comparison. For example, if you want to write something greater than 10,000 or less than 5,000 such things, it will not work in case one. Okay.
Yeah.
So such things will not work in case one. So for those things you have to use if then else. Okay. So for example, you want to write like something like case one is sales greater than 5,000 and profit less than 10,000 such things. So you have to use if then else only. Case one will not work in such situations. So if you want to write, you should write okay. If sum of sales greater than 2,000 and you can't use and or are in case one. Okay.
Okay.
So you have to use only if then else. Profit less than some it's too much. If then you say string as a C and D. Else you say it's not a void condition or something. Or if you don't want to give even then also, it will automatically, if you use this statement, if it is true, it will return the true. Otherwise, it will return false. Okay. You not even write then or else also. Okay.
Okay.
And you should end everything with and only. Okay. So if
and is necessary here in this condition.
yes, end is mandatory. That only void. I got only void. We should. So I think there is no condition which will satisfy the our calculation. So there is no condition which will satisfy our calculation. So I'll try to increase the numbers here. See some calculations. I'll pull in some bar chart. Category I think will be tough. Now if you pull in calculation, see that here you're seeing sent and void. So most of them are in black color. I mean, I think nothing is valid as of now. So I should change the calculation again. So we'll see. Maybe I'll change this to text. Possible. Minute. Clear this sheet. We'll change the calculation. Okay. So maybe 30,000, 50,000. We'll keep this as 5,000. Okay. And give products category. Sales. No calculation. So again, it's not happening. Okay. what all those sales which is greater than 50,000 and profit less than 5,000 is giving me cent. Okay.
Correct.
And others are displaying void. Okay.
Correct.
So that's how it is. So if you want to do conditional, you see the coloring here. So if you use any chart, this will be the colors which will be applied there.
Okay.
Okay. If you want to change the color, you can change the color. That's not a problem. So for conditional formatting, all those things, you can edit colors and you can change those things. Okay. 1 minute. Go here. So sales is greater than 50,000 and profit is less than 5,000. So there are only 4 to 5 situations here. Okay.
Yes.
Whatever you want, but case when you can't use and like this. Okay. And so, and there is another thing called as IIF. Okay. IIF is same as if then else, but it's just for single condition. You can't write multiple conditions like this. If you want to write multiple conditions, you should use multiple if clauses, like writing it here. Okay. So if sum of sales greater than 50,000, okay, comma, okay, if sum of sales greater than 50,000, if it's true, okay, then I want to evaluate sum of profit also. Okay. Now, if sum of sales is greater than 50,000 and sum of profit less than 5,000, then I display loss else. Okay. So again, this will become condition again here. IIF like this, and if sum of greater than less than 5,000, loss else gain. It's nested if clauses. So when you are writing IIF, you should use nested if clauses because it validates only one condition at a time. Okay. So this is one again, comma, and you say it's sales something. Okay. So in such situations, I'll show you what happens. Okay. So what this condition is, I've written nested IIF clauses to get that same if then else statements. Okay. Now it's same as that if then else. So now what I'm checking is if sum of sales is greater than 50,000, again check for this condition. Okay. After this, it's it's in red color because it should be in string actually. It should be in quotes. Apart from that, nothing else. Okay. It will go to profit and it will check for this condition. Again, if it is false, okay, and within sum of profit, if sum of profit is less than 5,000, it's loss, and if it is not less than 5,000, it's gain.
Correct.
Okay, so it's a nested IIF. So it will, I mean, you better not use them because it's a bit complex. If then else is very easy to do. Okay, so that is all here, and Zn is there. Zn is table calculations. In table calculations, we can see Zn. So if you want me to go ahead and use table calculations, otherwise only table calculations is left over and we can see it in next class. So what do you want me to do?
It's up to you. Can we apply this condition? This condition?
Yeah. 1 minute.
I think you have to make it string. Shallow.
Yeah, okay, shallow, yeah. Okay, anything else? That's it. Brackets, okay. You seeing that?
Yes.
Okay, like that.
Okay.
Okay. So that's how it is. So it's a nested if clauses. So but writing if then else is lot easy compared to case when or IIF. Okay.
Okay.
So If we end the class today, I think we'll be meeting on your Monday. So one is with the table calculations is one, and after that I'll all those things. So did you try installing server?
No, not yet. It's only 14 days, right?
Okay, it's only 14 days. So I think Tuesday will be right time. I mean Monday will be right time. If you get a chance, just try to install it. Okay. But otherwise, that's fine. I will have a video, so I will show you and I will tell you how to do it step by step. Okay.
Okay. I am afraid just because my laptop is not working very good. I told you.
Okay. Then that's fine. Don't install because it will again your laptop will get stuck if you install server. Okay. So don't do that. I will only install and I will show you. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Ram.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.